Good day to all our fellow coders. Today, our content is about a DIY bench grip. We will be making a DIY bench grip for our fellow welders who do not have the budget to buy one. This is easy to make and the material are not expensive. You will surely like this as it is made from scrap materials. You can create your own sturdy bench grip. If you enjoyed this video and if you are new to my YouTube channel, Multi-Coded Welder, please consider liking, sharing, and commenting. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Thank you for continuously watching our videos and may you always be guided and blessed by the Almighty. And to all our friends on Facebook, followers, new followers, and non-followers, thank you to all of you sa walang sawa ninyong suporta at panonood ng ating mga video.